very fortunate to be one of 25 community-based organizations throughout LA County, working in collaboration to address the high rates of obesity amongst SNAP-Ed eligible families.
Los Angeles County has a population of 10.2 million people. If the county were a state, it would be the 7th largest in the nation. 1 out of every 2 adults are obese or overweight in Los Angeles County. For those eligible for CalFresh Healthy Living, the problem is even worse. Approximately 70% of adults are overweight or obese.
In East Los Angeles, the childhood obesity rate is 33%, and in Walnut Park, it's 40%. So we are working to really try to impact those statistics and create a better environment for the residents who live and work here.
CalFresh, also known as a Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, is the nation's first line of defense against hunger and a powerful tool to improve nutrition among low-income families. CalFresh Healthy Living helps address food insecurity, improve nutrition, and prevent or reduce diet-related chronic diseases among CalFresh recipients.
Through our grant, we're actually working in both East Los Angeles and Walnut Park, which are both communities located in unincorporated LA County. In East Los Angeles, the green space, there's only 0.34 acres of park space per every 1,000 residents. And in Walnut Park, we have 0.3 acres of green space parks for every 1,000 residents. And so when you look at the high rates of childhood obesity, you see those immediate correlations based on the lack of green space. We are working to really try to impact those statistics and create a better environment, for the residents who live and work here.
An important part of CalFresh Healthy Living are the nutrition and physical activity classes.
So the classes that I provide with nutrition education, physical activity, and food demonstration, our goal is to reduce obesity, increase physical activity, reduce the intake of sugary drinks, as well as prevent type 2 diabetes. Typically, the class series that I do is 6 weeks, and it's for the Eat Healthy, Be Active community workshops. It varies, so sometimes I do food demonstrations after the class as well as physical activity. Those goals of this class is to build a healthy plate, fast and simple recipes, meal planning, as well as nutrition label reading, as well as physical activity and just how to live a healthy lifestyle.
Physical activity classes for both children and adults are an important aspect of CalFresh Healthy Living.
They love to do physical activity, so they enjoy it. They also get encouraged to do physical activity outside of the classes, and they love that I always bring food as well too and introduce them to new recipes or new snack ideas.
A lot of our kids don't have a lot of access to green space, to parks, so we do a lot of those physical activity, exercise and activities indoors. Because of the need in this community, it is so great that these communities that we work in are really heavily impacted by chronic disease, high obesity rates amongst children and adults. And so they have a lot sort of working against them, but they are eager for change. It is not for a lack of enthusiasm and energy to make change, it's just for a lack of resources.
CalFresh Healthy Living has a real impact on the health and well-being of Los Angeles County residents, like Jesus and Juana.
Juana and Jesus, I think, have been to all my classes. They really enjoy it, and they love doing the physical activity portion. If you see Juana, you see Jesus. They are rarely apart. They're very active seniors. They love to come to the classes. They're the first to sign up for any volunteer opportunities, and they also help around the center.
Las clases me han ayudado a mí porque yo aquí venía con una rodilla rota. Fue por eso que vine aquí. So, me ha ayudado el ejercicio, la salud y comer mejor.
Sí, nos ha ayudado a leer las etiquetas de todo lo que uno compra, las porciones, cómo debe comer uno. Pues muchas cosas nos ha ayudado a estar aquí.
Since she suffers from diabetes and as well as chronic pain, it has showed her new ways and new ideas to enhance her nutrition and as well as provide simple exercises that she can do at home. Doesn't necessarily have to go to the gym or attend a class, but simple exercises that she can do when she wakes up, before she goes to bed as well.
Oh, sí, nosotros estamos muy orgullosos de venir aquí y muy felices.
They have really grown not only in their own personal health, but I think as community leaders. And so I think that's exactly the kind of impacts that we're hoping to achieve.